Hey, this is Dylan with RepairSpots, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do your end of day sales checkout. So, in order to do this, we're going to first be going to sales page on the left hand side. Now, if it's been already 24 hours since your last end of day report, then you'll get this message. If not, then you will just act like this didn't come up, and you'll go to the end of day button on the top right. So here we have the information about the sales of the day. We'll have the date, the total sales since last checkout, the cash sales, credit card sales, debit card sales, other sales, cash in amount, and what the cash drawer should have. So here you'll be counting in your cash. Now this cash in amount is what's been here and what was left in the register since yesterday, or whenever your last cash checkout was. Now, that plus your cash sales of the day should total out to this number we have down here. So, after counting the cash in your register, you'll put the amount. You'll be able to match the amount here, assuming everything went smoothly. We have the total of $1,069.06, which is what the cash drawer should have, and we will submit. Here we can add notes to the end of the day report. So if there's anything necessary to keep in mind for the next person checking in or checking out, then a note can be added. Otherwise, you can go no notes. Here we'll be prompted to print the end of the day report. And there you have it. Your reports are finished.